am Mad Scientist Karen.
And I am Mad Scientist Kevin.
And like any good scientist, we have our fashionable safety glasses so that we can be safe while we do this. Aren't we fabulous? Okay, today you're wondering what experiment we are working on. It's in this little teeny book, and check this out. This is such a little book. It looks like a little kid's book, but it's really not. It's a book for adults. It's called E Squared, 9 Do-It-Yourself Energy Experiments that prove your thoughts create your reality. So we're here today to do an energy experiment to prove that we are in a river of energy and we can cause that flow of energy to either go out or to come trapped back in. So Kevin will explain how we are setting this up.
Okay, first we got a metal hanger, 2 of them, or 4 of them actually, and we cut them into pieces. First I cut them up about here, so we'd have about a 6-inch piece which we made into the handle, and then we cut them here on the bottom down here, so we have about 12 inches, and bend it to a right angle so that it will work. And then we cut some straws, some ordinary drinking straws, cut them in 2, so we have 2 pieces for each set. Put those on the handles so that it will allow our rods to swing without our hands impeding them or causing them to change directions. They can flow freely. And there we have it.
Okay, so here's your set, and here's my set. Okay, and the theory is that if we think something negative, yeah, and they're crazy, like they just spin. I'm not doing anything, you guys are just spinning. So this is like the river of energy. This is funny. Okay, now I think we just proved that we've definitely got some energy going on. And the premise is if we have negative energy, our energy field contracts and comes towards us. And so, and I'm going to control this now since they're swinging all over the place. Okay,
You're doing it.
Oh, they are. Okay, so the tips go either straight forward or they actually pull in together. And then if you're thinking something positive, the energy flows outward, which creates the tips to spread out and go outwards. Okay.
Like that.
This is cool. Okay. So I think even before we started, we're actually proven that this is working. Okay, so first of all, we're going to think of something negative that happened. So we had a little grandson who was born, and he had some physical and mental handicaps, and he suffered a great deal in his life, and he eventually died, and this was really hard. And so it was a negative thing. Okay, you just saw how the tips came together when I was talking about something negative. Okay, and notice our hands aren't moving, it's just these rods. Okay, and next I want to talk about something happy. We were at the grocery store and we had our little granddaughter, and she took just an ordinary fly swatter and she was using it as a magic wand. And she was casting spells on all the customers, turning them into frogs or butterflies. So that was really fun. Okay, now look at that. Our energy's totally flowing outwards now. This is so cool. Okay, now there's another thing that we are supposed to be able to prove. With our eyes looking straight ahead, we are supposed to be able to direct our energy. So our hands are holding still, and our wands, our magic wands, are going to go towards the window, which is to my right and Kevin's right, so it would be your left. There they go. Okay, now we're going to focus our energy on the left of us, so your right. There is a picture of Christ on the wall. Oh my goodness. All right, so I hope you guys see we're not moving our hands. This is totally these ones. Okay, now there's another thing I want to try. I have a vision board, which is it's a board that I have my goals on, and I want, when I look at my goals, I want to make sure that my energy is flowing out, because sometimes I need other people to help me with my goals, because one of my goals is to be a mentor, and I want to impact as many people's lives as possible in a positive way. So of course, I need my energy to flow out and find those people that I need to mentor. So I want to use these when I'm looking at my vision board to make sure that my energy is positive. So you can see right now it's very positive. One of the goals on my vision board is to finish reading the New Testament. So when I think about that, I think how great it will feel to finish that book and learn more knowledge about Jesus Christ and his teachings. And look at that. I've got some real good energy focused on my vision board, which you guys can't see, but my vision board is just behind the camera. And so I'm actually thinking about it and can see it out of the corner of my eye a bit. So this is so cool. Every time I look at my vision board, I'm going to use these wands as a training tool to make sure that my energy is flowing out in a positive way, and that will help my goals come off my board more quickly. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed our experiment. This was fun. And we want to invite you to come and listen to more lessons on the Power Zone. Thanks, you guys. Goodbye.
Goodbye.